First, you take a seed and you plant it in the ground. Next, a rain cloud comes and waters all around. Then the sun shines brightly without a sound. And in just a few days, a flower is found. First, you take a seed and you plant it in the ground. Next, a rain cloud comes and waters all around. Then the sun shines brightly without a sound. And in just a few days, a flower is found.
Hi, I'm Adrienne, and I work with the Montelars Early Childhood Council. And unfortunately, right now we can't meet, so I thought we would do a virtual family night. This family night is all about how to garden. So I have a pretty cool activity that I think all preschoolers will enjoy. First, I'll talk about a couple of things that I have on when I garden. I like to wear my hat because it keeps the sun off of my face. I also like to wear my gloves. Now, if you don't have gloves, it's totally fine. You can do this without gloves. And then the other thing I like to wear is some rubber boots. So when I'm watering, if I get water everywhere, I don't get my feet wet. So here's the project. I'm going to tip the camera down so you can see. So this is just a base of a plant, right? So this, or you can use, we have a recycled strawberry container, which our fruit container from the market. Another thing you can use is just a cup. So what I'm going to use today is I'm going to have you guys help me out in growing some grass seed, okay? So the first thing, what do you think the first thing is? What's the first thing we're going to need in here? Did you guess dirt? All right, well, so fill up the dirt. And I'm doing that as we go. So we can use a little, this is a little measuring cup. You could also use a spoon. That's fun. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand in here and I'm going to get some seeds and I'm just going to sprinkle them all over. You can do as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and keep going here. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water. And there's Miss Emma. Come here, Emma. Oh, no, don't like that. We're going to water. Oh, hi, girl. Say hello. Can you sit? Can you sit? Emma, good sit. And then I'll go find a really sunny spot, either outside or in my house. And in just a few weeks, we should have sprouts, if not even sooner. So that's a really cool project. And then when your grass seed starts to grow, find a pair of scissors and you can mow your lawn with your scissors and then water it again and it'll keep growing. So most importantly, you need to have water and sunshine. All right, and I also have a few other things that I'm growing out here I wanted to let you know about. So I got some seeds. And I'll mention the MECC Food Share again. They did a seed share. They gave everybody these lovely packets of seeds. So this was very cool. Montezuma Seed Share is what it was. So there's a bunch of packets of seeds. And then the best thing to do is to get yourself a little starter tray. Go ahead and put some dirt in there, stick your seeds in. Now these seeds I actually buried under the dirt. So they're in there. They're working on getting bigger. And then soon I'll have starts and they'll look like this. And then we'll plant it in like a pot like this. And this here will be some food for me eventually. So have fun. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys soon. I also have some videos of other people's gardens, so that'll be shared right after this. Best of luck.
by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. And inch by inch, row by row, someone blessed these seeds I sowed. Someone warmed them from below till the rains come tumbling down. Pulling weeds, picking stones, man is made of dreams and bones. Feel the need to grow my own, 'cause the time is close at hand. And grain for grain, the sun and rain, find my way in nature's chain, and tune my body and my brain to the music from the land. By inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. And inch by inch, row by row, someone blessed these seeds I sowed. Someone warmed them from below till the rains come tumbling down.
Let's read Bugs, Bugs, Bugs by Bob Barner. Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. There's bugs. Little bugs. Bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I want to see bugs. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Ah! Oh, grasshoppers hop, hop, hoppity out of sight. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. A long line of ants that work so much. Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see buggy bugs all around me. The end. Have a great day. Make it a great